Hello. Let's solve another problem on binary search. This is the problem of finding the first and last position of an element in an array. The problem statement: given an array of integers num sorted in a non-decreasing order, find the starting and ending position of the given target value. If target is not found in the array, return -1 and -1. You must write an algorithm with big of log and runtime complexity. We will see an example. For the target 8, uh, in the nums array 577888, the first position of 8 will be 3 and last position will be 4. The target 6 is not found, then we will just output -1 and -1. And let's just solve for target 8. First, we will search the 8 with binary search, and then with binary search, we will write a while loop, which uh, basically we will find this target 8 with the binary search, and we will iterate with while first greater than 0 and then of first to target हम जिसको फाइंड करने निकले हैं, तो हम एक एक पोजीशन से करते कम कर जाएंगे. फर्स्ट while last is smaller than num dot size, and a of last equal target last plus और लास्ट फर्स्ट और लास्ट को हम रिटर्न कर देंगे. फर्स्ट रिटर्न फर्स्ट कॉमा लास्ट. That's it. And let's solve the example 2. 5778 same array, target is 6. We are not able to find the element, then just return -1 and -1. For num for empty array, we will not find, then just return minus minus. We will write the code for this. Let's write the code. Let's make our file first and last. Let's make the file first and last position as include plus std c++ space std into main class solution vector of what is the array? What array we are taking? 577810. Let's just copy. Let's write the logic first. Public vector print find the position vector print num into search. Let's just take target. Let's take from target layer. First we have to find with using binary search algorithm because we have to find the first we have to find the element. Vector inter nums inter target inter left equal 0 right equal nums dot size -1 while left smaller than right. We will calculate inter mid equal right left plus right minus left divided by 2. If array of mid equal target, return mid. Array, we are taking now y I मैंने array कर दिया. If nums mid is greater than target, we have to check in the left side of the mid element. Then we have to reduce our mid right equal mid -1. Else अगर नहीं है तो हमें राइट साइड में चेक करना है. ठीक है अगर नहीं मिलता है तो रिटर्न -1. हाँ, let's write the original logic. Why this is giving error because we have not put interposition equal binary search nums comma target into, into first equal false last equal false while first nums of first equal target first minus while last equal to nums dot size and then nums of last equal target last minus then return first last. Position dot first in the position nums टारगेट टारगेट क्या है पहले इसका हम कर लेंगे अंदर layout solution dot find the position nouns from 6 and why this give me an error why this why this giving less as solution dot find the position okay the result equal that result of 0 result of let's do for result equal 6. Let's save this file. First and last position. Let's run page dot out. 2 2 or 1 1. 2 2. Why is the 2 2? Oh, that's why because we are taking much. That's that is again 2 2. Oh, because we have not saved our file. 2 5. Hello, there is some problem. I guess we have to do first minus 1 and the last plus 1. Let's save and run because it is going above. That's the correct solution. Hello, this is the solution of the first and last problem. First, for a problem first and last position of an array. Where it is also a lead code easy problem. Thank you for watching my video.